Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, email 1, 2 and 3. So let's see our today's class 6, subject English second paper, topic email 1, 2 and 3, term annual, lecture 15, SW will be 14, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari. This is my mobile number and today's date 13/10/20. So today's class email 1 to 3, annual term, lecture 15. So number 1, let's read. Write an email to your friend expressing your condolence at his father's death. So when we will start the email number 2, we will start, you can make a box like this. If we do not make a box, no problem. So first we will give 2. So you're writing to the email tunu@hotmail.com. You can write tunu@gmail.com, but email ID must be always in small number. Okay, small letters, not capital letters. All the letters of the email ID will be small letters, not capital letters. So subject, expressing condolence, no full stop here because this is not a complete sentence. Okay, then dear Tunu. So after dear Tunu, if you give comma here, you have to give comma at the end of the thanking you. If you do not put a comma here, you do not put a comma at the last. Okay, so you know email is very formal, not like the letters. We don't start hello, how are you, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Email will be very formal, very specific, only important talking informations we will give. Okay, so dear Tunu, I'm very shocked to hear that your father is no more on earth. I could never think that he would leave us at such a premature age. Premature age means early age, untimely age. I do not know how to console you in such a situation. Your grief is so great that words will fail to console you. The loss of a father is irrecoverable. It cannot be recoverable. He cannot be bring back to life. I know how sad it is to lose a father because I have also lost mine. I pray to the Almighty that He might give you a strength to bear the loss. Here He is God. So when we are using a pronoun against God, we always use the capital letters. H will be capital letters. Okay, He is the Almighty God. That's why we are using capital letters. I also pray heartily that his soul may rest in peace. So thanking you, we should write thanking you at the end of the email. You can write your savior, but thanking you is very formal. It's very nice. Thanking you on it. Number 2, write an email to your friend inviting him on the occasion of the marriage ceremony. 2, you are sending the email to rafin@yahoo.com. Subject, invitation for joining the occasion of marriage ceremony. So, dear Rafin, you will be glad to know that the marriage ceremony of my elder sister comes off on 22nd January this year. I cannot even think of passing these happy occasions with your presence. My parents have also asked me to invite you. Some of our other friends will also attend the ceremony. So, I would request you to come to our house at least 3 days earlier. We all will have a very nice time if you join us. Please don't disappoint me. My best regards to your parents and love to the youngers. Looking forward to getting you among us. We write this kind of language at the end, last part of the email. Looking forward to getting you among us. Looking forward to meeting you soon. So thanking you, Monir. We'll move to number 3. Write an email to your friend thanking him for a nice birthday present. 2. You're sending the email to rofikul.bari@yahoo.com. My dear Rofik, comma, it would have been a great pleasure if you had joined my birthday ceremony. I know you could not attend due to your illness, but you have sent me a nice present. My heartiest good thanks for the complete works of Rabindranath Tagore you sent me on the occasion. Tagore is one of my most favorite authors. He was a versatile genius. He excelled equally in poems, novels, short stories, dramas, and other forms of writing. They all attract me much. I have had a lot of presents on the day, but yours is the best of all. I'm all hoping you to be hale and hearty. Thanking you, comma, Hassan. Your SW will be homework 14, submit on Sunday. Email number 1, and number 1 email is write an email to your friend expressing your condolence at his further state. So your homework only email 1. You will do only write email 1. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect the copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBS City a diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.